Please respond.
Yes, sir. I've heard about it.
Where?
Sir, I actually had a class, sir, Vedic maths outside.
Okay. Okay. Vedic math. First of all, we'll see its uses, why we have to learn Vedic math, and later we'll see from where it is originated, and later we'll start the actual subject. Okay. Anything, any subject or anything, when we are going to learn, we should know the purpose, why we are learning this. Okay. So see the uses of Vedic math. Okay, is it a separate mathematics or same mathematics, or is it a different approach? Tell me.
Sir, it's a different approach, sir, of the same problem.
Yeah, the same question, mathematics is there, and the same questions will be there here also. The approach is different. Way of doing the solving the question is different. So here it helps a person, Vedic techniques. We are discussing about Vedic techniques. It helps a person to solve math problems nearly 10 to 15 times faster than the conventional methods. So conventional methods means
the normal methods, sir.
Normal methods which we use in our academics. Yes, sir. What is the difference between academic exams and a competitive exam?
So your time is less, their time is more.
Time is less and time is more. Okay, that is one point. Next.
Sir, in academic, it's like the exam comes only from the book perspective, but in competitive, it comes from the general perspective.
Okay, any more points?
So the questions are trickier in competitive exams, and in normal exams, but they're easier.
Okay, any more points?
So there we have less time per question, and we need some faster methods to solve the questions.
Okay, so the main point is all these points are valid points only, and one more main point is our academic exams are descriptive type. Yes or no? But the competitive exams are of objective type. In case of descriptive exam, how much lengthy your solution, those many marks you'll get. In case of objective type, multiple choice question type, you may solve the question or you may not solve the question. We need just your option. What is your option? That's it. Okay. So in that case, these things will be helpful. So we don't need to do anything. Sometimes, maximum times, without using pen and paper, we can answer the questions. Okay. Next, it helps in intelligent guessing. So if you practice these techniques, Vedic techniques, it helps in intelligent guessing. What will happen the next step? So these things will be known earlier. Next, it reduces burden by learning tables up to 9. If you know tables up to 9, that is enough to solve big questions also. Big questions, suppose the 3-digit number into 3-digit number. In that case also, tables up to 9 is enough. Next, it is a magical tool that reduces scratch work and finger count. So scratch work means rough work and finger count. So these things will be reduced, or these things will be eliminated using this Vedic techniques. So in most of the cases, it will give a single line solution or one line solution without any steps. So one line solution will get the answer. Okay, we can tell these Vedic techniques as a magical tool. Next is, if you practice these techniques, it helps in increasing your concentration and it helps in reducing your silly mistakes. And it helps in improving your mental ability, reasoning skills, logical skills, and analytical skills also. Okay, next, it is fast, efficient, and easy to learn and to use also. Understood this point? These things are easy to learn and easy to use. Here we can add one more point. Easy to learn, easy to use, and easy to forget also. If you don't practice, it is easy to forget also. Okay. Next, in most of the cases, this point is already mentioned. In most of the cases, it gives a one-line answer, one-line solution. Whereas conventional method requires several steps. So here we don't need any steps directly. We need one-line solution. Yeah. Next is Vedic math history, where it is originated. Nowadays we are having these many subjects like science, social, maths, biology, physics, chemistry, history, geography. But previously means in olden days, what is our what are our studies? Our ancient Indian studies are only
Vedas.
Vedas. Yeah. How many Vedas are there? Totally, how many Vedas are there? Are you there?
Yes, sir.
How many Vedas are there? Don't know. 4 Vedas are there. 4 Vedas are there, and in those 4 Vedas only, every subject will be covered. Science, social, physics, chemistry, biology, history, geography, all the things, everything will be covered. Even maths also will be covered in those 4 Vedas only. That is why they will learn only Vedas. Separately, they will not learn everything. And this Vedic math is also there in one of the Vedas. Vedic math is also there in one of the Vedas, and that is rediscovered again. Okay, so Vedic math is a system of reasoning and mathematical working based on ancient Indian teachings called Vedas, and it is rediscovered. Okay, rediscovered from Vedas between 911 and 918 by Sri Bharati Krishna Tirtha-ji. He is the founder. He is the one who rediscovered Vedic math from Vedas. According to Tirtha-ji, all of Vedic math is based on 16 sutras. 16 sutras, we also call it as word formulae. Has given some word formula. Next, it is an ancient technique which simplifies arithmetical operations like addition, subtraction, multiplications, division, square roots, cubes, cube roots. And also not only arithmetical operations, and it is useful for algebraic operations also. Okay. What is the difference between arithmetical operation and algebraic operation? Anyone?
Sir, in arithmetic, we have numbers, but in algebraic, we have variables and constants.
Yes, correct. So simply if we say from a known value, all the numbers are known values or not?
Yes, sir.
From a known value, if you are moving to unknown value, known to unknown, we will call it as arithmetical operation. Means suppose some 5 plus 3 is given. 5 plus 3 is given. 5 is known and 3 is known, and we are moving from known to unknown. Question mark is unknown. We are moving on to the unknown. Suppose if the question is 5 plus how much is 8? 5 plus how much is 8? My pen tab is in repair. That's why I'm writing with the mouse. So here in this case, question mark is known or unknown?
Unknown, sir.
Unknown to known we are moving. So this type of operations are called algebraic operations. So when we are moving from known to unknown, arithmetical operation. When we are moving from unknown to known, algebraic operations. So as you said, in place of question mark, you just will substitute x, right? 5 plus x equal to 8. X will be 8 minus 5, that will be 3. Okay. So
Yes, sir.
these are the uses, and this is the history regarding Vedic maths. And he has mentioned, he has suggested, he has given 16 sutras and 13 sub-sutras. Just we'll see the list of sutras. Yeah, these are the list of sutras. 16 sutras are there. I'll send this PDF, you try to read them out. Okay. एकाधिकेन पूर्वेण निखिलं नवतः चरमं दशतः ऊर्ध्वत्रियभ्यां परावर्त्य योजयेत् शून्य साम्य समुच्चय. So in that way, try to read them by one more than the one before, all from 9 and last from 10, vertically and crosswise, transpose and apply. So these are the 16 sutras, and then these are the 13 sub-sutras. Anurupyena, right? Yeah, Avadana, 30 sub-sutras. And next, we are not going to deal these sutras. We are not going to learn these sutras, sutra by sutra. One second. Yeah, sorry. Okay, we will see, we don't see sutras one by one. We'll see operations one by one. So generally, what are the operations we can do using Vedic math? Here I have mentioned, see, additions, subtractions, multiplications, divisions, squares, square roots, cubes and cube roots, etc. And some more, even what we can say, digit operations also we can do, and one more is algebraic operations also we can do. So we will go operation by operation. First we'll see addition, then we'll see subtraction, then we'll see multiplications. Whenever any sutra application comes, then I will mention, I will introduce that sutra. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. And we'll just see the sample questions. What type of questions can be solved using Vedic techniques. So see, this type of big additions and this type of big subtractions and this type of big multiplications and this type of squares and square roots and then cubes, cube roots. See this question, there is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6-digit number into 6-digit number. Even for this question also we can get the solution, we can get the answer in a single line. Okay, so these type of questions can be solved using Vedic techniques in a single line. So now we are not going to solve these questions, but by the end of Vedic math we'll solve all these questions. We can solve all these questions in a single step. Okay. Shall we start our first sutra?
Yes, sir.
Or let me explain you one question here. See that 7th question. What is the number here? 7,514, right? Are you there? Please respond.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, 7,514. Do minus 1. Tell me. 7,514 minus 1 is
So 7,530.
7,513. Okay. For this 7, how much is to be added to get 9?
2,
2. For this 5,
4,
for this 1,
9.
no, to get 9.
Sorry, sir. 8.
For this 3, that's all. That is the answer here. Okay. So in this way, we can get the answers. We'll see one by one. Right. We'll start first Sutra. That is Ekadikena Purvena. By one more than the one before. By one more than the one before. So here there is a circle. We call this circle as a 10-point circle. In Vedic math, we call this circle as 10-point circle. So starting from 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. After 9, if you want to continue, then it will be okay. You should be somewhat active. Known things only now. All these things. If you don't respond, then 16, 17, 18, 19. After 19, if you want to continue again, what you people are doing? Sleeping again?
No, sir.
Okay, 14, sorry, 24, and so on. Okay. Okay, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. After 29, if you can't want to continue again, it will be
30.
30, 31, and 32, and so on, right? Is there any observation here? Tell your observations. Tell your observations in this 10-point circle.
So we are adding the numbers in tens place, like after 1, 2.
That is a normal case only. Okay, that is a normal case only. Any observation? Any more observations? We are continuing the cycle. That is okay. Any other? See here. Can I call it as a zeros branch? Yes or no? Can I call it as ones branch?
Yes, sir.
And it will be twos branch. It is a threes branch. In every branch, the units digit is same. That is the observation here. In every branch, units digit is same. See 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. And other than units digit, what about the remaining number? It is increasing in a natural number series. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. This is one observation. And see the other circle, second circle. Directly tell me, based on these horizontal lines, is there an observation? Based on the horizontal lines. What happened here? Why are you not responding?
Yes, sir.
Tell, is there an observation in the second circle?
Sir, all the horizontal lines are connected to all the numbers except 10 and 5.
Is that your observation? Okay. Any more?
Sir, like 9 plus 1, 10, 8 plus 2, 10.
Ah, yes, that should be your observation. Okay. So here the lines are connected such that the sum of the numbers is sum of those two digits is 10. So in mathematics, how many numbers are there? In mathematics, how many numbers are there?
Infinite. Sir.
Infinite numbers are there. How many digits are there?
Infinite.
No.
No.
How many digits are there? In mathematics, how many digits are there?
10,
Only 10 digits are there from 0 to
9.
9. From 0 to 9. So using these digits 0 to 9, he is trying to form by taking two numbers at a time. By taking two numbers at a time, we should get 10. Here in Vedic math, complete our concentration is on tens only. That is why these things will be easy. Why he is concentrating 10? Because it's a round number. Okay. Complete our concentration is on either 10 or 10 multiples or 10 powers. Tens or 10 multiples or 10 powers. Okay. Now tell me, using these digits 0 to 9, using two digits at a time, how we can form 10? In how many ways we can form 10? Give the combinations. One combination is 1 plus. Tell me. 1 plus 9. Second is 2 plus
Plus 2.
8.
2 plus 8. 3 plus
7.
7. Then 4 plus
6,
6.
4 plus 6. Then 5 plus
5,
5.
4 plus 6. 5 plus 5. Any more combinations? If I take 6 plus 4, again it is the same combination. If I take 7 plus 3, again same. 8 plus 2, same. 9 plus 1, same. Can you form any more combinations other than these 5 combinations?
so
No, sir.
No, we cannot form any other combinations using these 10 digits and taking 2 digits at a time to form 10. Okay. So he has connected the lines in such a way that the sum of the digits is 10. Okay. Next we'll see the digit combinations, all the digit combinations. Every digit when it is combined with other digit. Sorry. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, so on. 9. Every digit when it is combined with other digit, what will be the result? We'll see now. And before that, just tell me, if every digit is combined with other digit, totally how many digit combinations we can get? If every digit is combined with other digit, totally how many combinations we can get?
90.
No, not 90.
100.
Yeah, 100, because there are 10 digits. Because there are 10 digits. See the table, I have mentioned here, the table. By taking 0, yes, combined with 0, then 0, 1, 0 combined with 2, 0 combined with 3, 0 combined with 9. So the combinations are over with 0. Next, by taking 2 combined with 0, sorry, by taking 1 combined with 0, 1 plus 1, 1 plus 2, 1 plus 3, 1 plus 4, up to 1 plus 9. Then he started taking 2, 2 plus 0, 2 plus 1, 2 plus 2, in that way 2 plus 9. So in that way, from 0, 0 to 99 means 99. Total how many combinations are these? 0 to 99 means how many combinations?
Sir, around 1 lakh.
No. 0 to 99. How many combinations? I'm asking. 0 to 99 means how many total combinations? 100. Yes or no? 100 combinations, they are presented here in this box. 100 combinations are presented here. Next, see one more thing. When we add two digits, if the resultant is less than or equal to 10, we add two digits. If the resultant is less than or equal to 10, we'll call it as a natural addition. Natural addition. And when we add two digits, suppose if it is exceeding 10, if the result is greater than 10, then we will call it as carry addition. Carry addition. Okay. What is natural addition? Tell me. What is natural addition?
So when the result is less than 10.
Less than or equal to 10. Equal to 10 is also, it's not a big problem for us. So sum up to 10 is natural addition, and sum exceeding 10 is the carry addition or carry combination. So now here the total 100 combinations 00 to 99 I have categorized. Some in green color, some in black color, some in orange color, some in yellow color. So first of all, we'll come to the green color. Okay. Any observation with the green color combinations? Sorry?
Like the sum of these numbers are equal to 10 or less than 10.
Yeah, up to 10. Sum of the digits is up to 10. We are getting maximum up to 10. And can I call them as natural addition?
Yes.
So natural addition is very easy because it is either getting 10 or below 10 only. So natural additions are very easy. Out of 100 combinations, these green color combinations are very easy, and we can keep them aside. We don't need to concentrate much about them, much on them. Next, coming to yellow color. Any observation? Yellow color, any observation?
Sir, they are all above 10.
That is okay.
Sir,
I'm asking for yellow
are
color.
added to the same
So
digit.
the same digits have been added and the sum is more than 10.
Yes. The digits are same. The digits are same. So like 6 plus 6, 7 plus 7, 8 plus 8, 9 plus 9. So because the digits are same, both the digits are same, even we can consider these combinations also is simply by double, right? 6 double, 7 double, 8 double. Okay, so we can keep them aside. These four combinations also we can keep them aside. Next, coming to the orange color and black color. By seeing both of them at a time, just tell any observation. Orange and
Value.
every digit is. Every combination is exceeding 10, that is okay. Any other? Sir, here 4 plus 8 is there. Do we need to consider 8 plus 4 again?
No, sir, it's the same.
No need, because the sum is same. In both the cases, the sum is same. So here, suppose 9 plus 5 is there, and 5 plus 9 is also will give the same. So means here we can keep these combinations also, black colored combinations also aside, because they are already considered as orange color. So A plus B is equal to B plus A, both are same. No need to consider. If you consider A plus B, no need to consider B plus A again. So complete our concentration is on these combinations only. Out of 100 combinations, you just concentrate on these combinations only. So because these combinations not comes under natural addition, they comes under carry combination. Okay. Now we'll see one more terminology here. That is end number concept. End numbers. Actually, we have to speak it, we have to call it as end digit. But in Vedic terminology, we call it as end numbers only. So tell me, in 58, what is the end number? End number or end digit?
5.
We can say. No. End. This is the end. Units digit is always the end digit. Remember this point. Units digit is always the end digit. Okay. Suppose 123. What is the end digit?
3.
3 is the end digit. So here we are going to take the only end numbers or end digits. No need to consider complete additive value. Complete addition value is not required. Only end number is required. Suppose if you take first question 7 plus 8. Actually the sum is 7 plus 8. Actually the sum is, are you there? 7 plus 8 sum is
Yes, sir. So 15.
15, but the end number is
5.
5. That is enough. 5. So we need this type of results. Tell me 9 plus 2 end number. Tell end numbers only.
1.
1. 4 plus 9.
3.
3. 13 comes to your mind, but you have to say only 3. 6 plus 5.
1.
1. 3 plus 9.
2.
2. 4 plus 7.
1.
3 plus 8.
2.
No.
21.
1 again. 8 plus 5.
3.
7 plus 9. 7 plus 9. 6. Okay, 9 plus 6.
5.
5. 5 plus 9. 5 plus 9.
4.
4.
4. 8 plus 7.
5.
6 plus 8.
4.
4.
8 plus 9.
7.
7 plus 6.
3.
8 plus 4.
2.
9 plus 4.
3.
5 plus 7.
2.
2 plus 8.
0.
Yeah, very good. 0 because 10 and digit is 0. 9 plus 3.
2.
2 because it is 12 and the number is 2. Okay, practice this end number concept because these things will be helpful in additions, even in subtractions, even in multiplications also. Okay, practice, take any combinations of your own, some like 10 or 20 or 30 or 40. Take combinations and write those end numbers directly. Okay. Next, we'll see in this end numbers only, we'll see some observation. End number observation with the combination of 9. Tell me, 9 plus 5 is how much? End number. 9 plus 5, end number. 4. Suppose if it is 9 plus 8, end number.
7.
7.
7. Any observation here?
Sir, like the numbers go from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
No.
7.
I'm asking in these two. Any observation?
So like the one number is reduced, sir. Like 9 plus 5. 1
Yes.
reduced from 5.
Simply one number is reducing. So here, whatever the number combining with the 9, it is reduced by 1. Whatever the number combining with the 9, that will be reduced by 1. 5 becomes 4, 8 becomes 7. Okay. So here tell me 9 plus 8 is how much? 9 plus 8 and number?
27 is the end
7.
number.
9 plus 2.
1 is the end number.
9 plus 5.
4.
9 plus 1.
0.
0.
9 plus 9.
1.
8.
8.
8. 9 plus 3.
2.
9 plus 7.
6.
9 plus 4.
3.
And 9 plus 6.
5.
Simply one number is reducing. Okay, that is the observation. So whenever 9 comes, no need to calculate the sum and tell the answer. Directly we can say the other number minus 1. Okay. Next, we are moving on to the other sutra. Next sutra, that is by the completion or non-completion. Purana Puranabhyam. Purana Puranabhyam. By the completion or non-completion. So see, okay, we'll do directly. So first of all, we should learn what is meant by this completion or non-completion. Completion means making any number into 10 or making any number into 10 multiples or making any number into 10 powers. We know 10 already, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Do you know 10 power? Sorry, 10 multiples? Tell me some examples for 10 multiples.
20.
100,000.
Yeah, 20, 30, 40, 60, 100, 120, 200, 220, 240, 1000. Okay. So these numbers are 10 multiples. Can I say any number ending with 0 is a multiple of 10?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, any number ending with 0 is a multiple of 10, right? Next, 10 powers. 10 power 1 is how much?
10.
10 only. 10 power 2 is
100.
100. 10 power 2 nothing but 10 into 10, no? 10 square. That is nothing but 100. 10 power 3?
1,000.
1000. 10 power 4?
1 lakh.
10,000.
Okay, sir.
And then it is 1 lakh. Always our concentration is on making these numbers only. So round numbers, we can say perfect numbers or round numbers or numbers ending with 0. As many zeros are there, the question will be that much easy. Always, yes or no? In the problem, if many zeros are there, then question seems easy, right? Okay, now we'll try to complete the numbers. Completing the number, nothing but making it 10 or 10 multiple or 10 powers. Remember this point. Yeah. We don't need to discuss about the first question, right? 6 plus 4 directly you can see because it is a natural addition. What is the result?
The 10.
Simply 10. Let me explain B and later you can do the remaining questions. So here you know all the answers immediately and you can say all the answers immediately. So here my intention is to learn the approach or to habitate the methodology. To habitate the approach. Okay. Try to habitate this type of approach. So to complete 4, how much is required?
6.
6 is required. So by taking 6, so we have completed this number. But where we have taken this 6 from 16. Then 16 becomes
10.
10. This is 1 10 and this is another 10. Together it is
20.
20.
20. That's the answer. Okay, I already told you, you know all the answers easily and you can tell all the answers easily. But here, your concentration should be on the approach in what we are doing. Can anyone explain D?
Can I?
D.
Sir, can we take 7? So we have 7 and to complete 7 to complete it to be 10, we need to add 3. So can we
Completion nothing but it is 10 only. No need to mention separately. To complete it. We need
3.
3, and we have
13. So there'll be 10 left over there and 10 over here. So 10 plus 10, 20.
very good. 10 plus 10, 20 again. Next, anyone F? Question F.
So can I?
Proceed.
So to complete 2, we need 8. So we are taking 8 from 38, which makes 10. And 30 plus 10 is 40.
Yeah, it makes 10 and it becomes 30. Together it is 40. Okay, here using pen and paper we are doing, but you have to do these things mentally. In the mind only, okay, 2 plus 8 is 10 and then this is another 30. Together it is 40 in that way. We'll do one more thing, one more exercise. In the previous exercise, there is a 2-digit number and 1-digit number, but in this case it is both are 2-digit numbers only. So completion means not only making 10, right? Completion means it can be making 10 multiples also. Okay. So here let me explain you one question and later you can do the remaining questions. I'm taking the first question and I'll explain this first question in 3 different ways. First of all, see
Excuse me,
this.
sir.
Yes, tell me.
So can I leave the meeting because like it's late for my bus?
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, see. One method is splitting and adding. So we can split 37 like
30 plus 7.
30 and 7. And we can split 23 as
20 and 3.
20 and 3. And then we can add round numbers first and later we can add the remaining numbers next. 30 plus 20?
50.
50. And this 7 plus 3?
10.
10. Together?
60.
60. And again I am telling these things to be done in mind only. These things are to be done in mind only. So 30 plus 20, 60 and 50, 7 plus 3, 10. And in that way you have to do. This is one way. And the other way is, so as we mentioned in the previous exercise, earlier exercise, between these two numbers, 37 and 23, we can complete one number, right? Anyone,
Yes,
we can complete 37. To complete 37, how much is required?
So 3.
3. By taking that 3, we made it 40 and 23 becomes
20.
20 and together
60.
60. And one more way you can tell. Sir, why to complete 37? We can also complete 23 also. Yes, sir. Yeah. Anyone explain C? Which number C? It is of your choice. Method is of your choice. You may complete 54 or you may complete 16 or you may split and then add. Anyone explain C?
So 54 plus 16 is the question. So to complete 54, we'll be to complete 54 to be 60, we'll be needing 6. So we're going to take 6 from 16 and this is going to become 60 and that's going to become 10. So 60 plus 10, that is equal to 70.
70. So the other way is to complete 16, we need 4. To complete 16, we need 4. So 16 plus 4 becomes 20 and another number, remaining number 50, together 70. And one more way is 50 plus 10, 60. 6 plus 4 again, 10. 60 plus 10 is 70. Okay, in this way you try to practice these questions. Anyone can explain G? Any other? G.
Yes, sir, should I? There are no other part of them.
There are no other?
participants, sir. It's only me who is like responding.
Aish Mishra, and what happened to you?
Sir, can I tell?
Tell ma.
Yes, sir. So 38 plus 22, we can take the 2 from 22 to complete 38. It becomes 40 plus 20, which is 60.
60, yes. And okay, shall we go to the next exercise? Next slide.
Yes, sir.
So one more new sutra, that is Yavaduna. 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 By the deficiency. By the deficiency. What is meant by deficiency?
Lacking something.
Losing something or missing something. Okay.
Yes.
Otherwise, we can say, in other words, how much is less? Okay. Now see.
Subtracting.
Sorry. Subtracting, not subtracting. How much is less? How much is missing? See, suppose if we consider 99, is it a complete number?
No, sir.
No. To make it complete number, how much is deficient?
1.
1. So that is the deficiency intention. 99 is deficient by 1. 99 is deficient by 1. And it is close to which number? 99.
100.
100. Suppose 1998 is close to which number?
200.
1998
1,000.
is close to 2000 and it is deficient by
The 2.
2. Okay. In that way, tell the answers for this. 37 is close to
40.
40 and is deficient by, and is how much below?
3.
3 below 40. And 49 is close to
50 and 1.
3 and how much below?
1.
1 below. 68 is close to
70.
and how much below?
2.
2.
2 below. Okay. And now using these two mix by the deficiency and by the completion together, we'll do these questions. 49 is deficient by 49 is close to 50 and deficient by 1. We'll take that 1 from 5. We'll make it 50. The other number becomes
4. 4.
4. Together
54.
54. And suppose if it is E, question number E, 79 is deficient by how much?
1.
1. So this becomes
80.
85.
80. The other number becomes
5.
5.
5. So together
85.
85. And suppose if you do D, 28 is deficient by
2.
30.
2. How much?
30
Sorry.
plus 4. That is
This number becomes 30. The other number becomes
4.
4. Together
34.
34. Okay. And again I am telling these things are to be done in the mind only. Got it? You should
Yes,
not
sir.
practice on mind. You should not practice on paper. You have to practice in the mind only.
Okay, sir.
Next, yeah, we'll solve these questions. Method is of your choice, and everyone has to explain one question. First, who will do? Riyansh. Are you there, Riyansh?
Yes, sir.
Can you tell A? Explain A. Question number 1. What happened? Who? Aisha?
No, sir.
I asked a question and he left.
Akshara, sir.
Maybe he is facing some problem. Akshara, explain question number 1. First question.
Yes, sir. 37 plus 47. So to complete 37, to complete 37, we will be needing 3. So we're going to take 3 from 47. Then that's going to become 40, and this is going to be left as 44. So 30 plus 40, 40 plus 44 is going to be 80. Sorry, 44 is going to be 84.
Yeah, this is 40 and this is 44.
4.
Yeah, together it is 84. Very good. Correct. And who is this? Ritvik?
Sir, it's me only, sir. Riyansh. I came from the second.
Okay, okay. Now, can you do B? Question number B.
Sir, it will be 50. No, the 5 will be the one, then it will become 50.
Okay, if we take 5, it becomes 50. Sorry, 60 or 50?
60, sir.
Okay, 60. And the other thing will be?
Then here, if you take out 3, it will become 25.
Sorry, we take out 5 now. From where you got this 5?
Sir, I have a bit of confusion in this.
Okay, you took 5 from
Yes, sir.
28 and it becomes 23. Okay, and
Yeah, okay.
by taking 5, this number is completed as 60. 60 and 23. Now it is easy to add. And even in that 60 and 23 also you can add like 60 plus 20 and then 3.
Okay.
Answer
Okay,
is?
sir. Answer is 83, sir.
83. Very good. Then Ayush Mishra.
Yes, sir.
Your question is G.
Yes, sir. Sir, 29 plus 44. I can take 29 as 20 and 44 as 40. So
Okay, you're splitting.
20 plus 40 is 60, and then 9 plus 4 is 13.
13.
So 16 plus 13 is 73.
60 plus 13 is 70. Yes, very good. And then one more question by one more person. Akshara.
Yes, sir.
Your question is F.
Yes, sir. This is the splitting method. So 30 plus 20 is 50 and 8 plus 6 is 14. So 50
plus 14.
50 plus 14 is gonna be 64.
64. 64, correct. Then again Ritvik, H.
Yes, sir. 30 plus 40 will be 70. Then 5 plus 9 will be 14. Then 84, sir.
84, correct. Then again Ayesha.
Yes, sir.
C.
Yes, sir. It's 47 plus 25. We take the 3 from 25 to make the 47 50, and
Okay.
25 becomes 22. 50 plus 22 is 72.
Yeah, 50 plus 22 is 72, correct. And one last question. With whom? Ritvik?
Yes, sir.
D.
So 20 plus 30 will be 50. Then 9 plus 6 will be 15. Then 50 plus 15 will be 65.
65. Okay, so will you practice in this way?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay.
Sir, will you pause this PDF?
Sorry,
Will you pause this PDF?
why?
No, sir, because there are some practice questions.
Okay, okay.